Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In today's video we are going to be taking a look at the Thermaltake Smart RGB 700w power supply. Thermaltake, as the pioneer who incorporates RGB lights into a PSU, has launched the Thermaltake Smart RGB series, which comes with a pre-installed patented 256 color RGB fan hub with 15 light modes to choose from and built-in memory. Featuring capacities ranging from 500 watts to 700 watts and an 80 plus standard certification, the Smart RGB series adopts high quality components and silent design that always accommodates any mainstream build under any circumstances, with up to 87% efficiency and a 5-year warranty. At first, the idea of an RGB power supply may seem a little off, but it's quite easy on the eyes, small and compact, but weighs as much as me on a Sunday afternoon after my dinner. But on a plus note, can jazz up your PC without depressing your wallet. There's a good number of vents to allow you for proper ventilation. Installation is quite easy and without too much fuss. However, it is a non-modular design PSU, so you will have to do some cable management, but like most other Thermaltake power supply units, the cables are pretty flexible and seem to bend well into place. Pressing the RGB lighting button on the rear of the power supply cycles through the different colours and effects, including the breathing colour cycle mode, but my favourite colour has to be the pale blue colour. It is just absolutely gorgeous. As before mentioned, the Thermaltake Smart RGB 700w power supply is just one of the many Thermaltake have to offer, so if you would like to check them out, the link will be in the description below. The Smart RGB 700w supports up to 6 SATA connections, 5 Molex connections, 2x6+2 PCIe connections, and 1 floppy disk drive connection. Even though floppy disk drives are completely outdated now and no one likes the Molex connections either, I do think that they would have been better replaced with something else. The ketchup and mustard cables do put you off, but for only £63 at the time of this video, you're not really going to lose sleep over it. So thanks for watching guys. If you did enjoy the video, hit that like button. Feel free to leave a dislike if you didn't. Why not subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and hopefully I'll see you all in the next one.